Girl, I bet I can cook. Think a day of your pretty looks, you want to eat a restaurant and bun me back book. Cook, eat, recipe book. I know we get full of. Anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it now.
Perfect.
Get ready for the vibe. Yeah. We living happy. We living free. Minding my business, doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Lattydesire. And so last week you guys asked me what is one of my favorite meal to prepare. So I will be doing the curry chickpeas wraps with okra for strong up on the back. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm about to make the curry chickpeas wraps right now. So unlike the first video, I made some preparation ahead, so the video won't be that long. Okay, so we have my scallion tomatoes, onion, thyme, okra, Irish potato, pepper, garlic, and sweet pepper. So let's get right into it. So I'll be using the Eve coconut cooking oil. It just made the food taste really good. The coconut oil. Good. Where's the matches? Oh, right here. The Irish potato. And then the fire, not too much flame. And as I said before, guys, a lot of people don't use tomato in their curry, but that's a funny business. I like it like this. Oh my god, it's so cute! So pretty, right? gonna put some black pepper in it too. This is one of my favorite, like one of my secret ingredients too. This is what the garlic herb. This is dash. So we just a dash everything in right now. Stir. And ready for the chickpeas. I'm using the Goya Chickpeas. Make that go and bubble up and cook. So we got rid of the liquid inside. Just throw it in the pot and go and stir it same time. See, easy, easy, easy. This is one of my favorite. Well cooked chickpeas. You don't have to cook it too long too. This brand. Man. So really strong back something, you know. Supermarket, Brooklyn Supermarket, all of them, Mega Mart, yeah. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Okay, first thing, towel. You have to get that really hot. Well, the pot cover, which is also my towel. And on the stove. It's an easy way to cook in there. Ooh. Alright, so make that really hot. Okay, so we have to make this really hot. Or if you want it crispier, if you just want it warm, but you know it tastes good if you just eat it raw something. You know? It tastes just like, you know them taste bad flour they when I have no salt. So if you have to just warm it up so much expense, And guys, remember to follow me on Instagram at Lattydesire_JM. Also, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next week. And make sure to send a ton on the yard so we can help to stop the spreading of the coronavirus. Stay safe, have fun, chill, all the best. Bye. God, this is so good. Look at one. Look there.